right, we got me and Newman out here. We got 2009 Toyota Sienna. And if you ever heard a noise when you're driving like this, and it drives you crazy, this is how you fix it. Basically what you're looking at is this thing here, they come loose over time. Now you can probably try to purchase one of those, or what we're gonna do is put a zip tie in here and tie it down to this open hole, okay? There's that noise, right? You can get a regular drill. You can put it in this way to where you have it backwards, or you can get a fancier drill if you want. What I'm gonna do is just use this drill right here. You see it now? I'm just gonna pop a hole right in this plastic, and we'll do it down here. Here we go. There we go. Got the hole in there. Now what we're gonna do is take this down through this hole, and I could feed it in there, hold it with my thumb, and then feel the other end of it with my fingers. So right here I caught it. Okay? Now what I'm gonna do is take this and push it through this hole, right? And we're gonna put it through here. We'll zip tie. This is all one-handed. See if I can do it. If not, all right. We'll try to reach in there with our other hand. Okay, once you get it through, it's all right. Okay, then you're gonna zip this down as tight as you can go, so that when you won't hear it anymore. Okay. Then what we'll do is just take this little clip it off, and that should do it. So now when you hear the wind blowing it, it's not going to do it. Okay. All right. Hope that helps. See you later.